before. Not dry yet, but let's see what it looks like when it dries. But here's that color shift paint on that metallic purple. I'll try airbrushing it and see what happens. Hey everybody, welcome back to Pro Carry Trucker. Got the front axle in, got the engine set in there. Just kind of somewhat of an idea here. Like I'm gonna have to not quite fitting on there. I'm about to do something. Oh, camera. It's not quite fitting down on there. So when I get to that point, I imagine this here is curved in. I'm probably gonna pry it apart a little bit and stick her on there, but I'm waiting to see how that color shift works. From here back is just that metallic purple, and from here forward, so this section right here has that color shift paint on it. Really can't, really not a whole lot of difference there. And that purple is not folk art. That purple is Deco Art, Americana Decor Metallics, bright metallic paint. So, and it's still wet, but I did the inside of the hood with that color shift. Not a whole lot of difference there from that to that. I think it may look better if I actually sprayed it, airbrushed it. But making progress, and I like that. Getting ready to go to the back axle. Got 13A, don't have a 13B, got a 14B. So I'm assuming step 14 is for the souped up, which I will be doing. 15, A and B, whether you want to do it or not. Those mufflers. 16, 17, 18. Probably won't make it 18 tonight. I may just work up to, if I get to 15, I'll be happy. Alright, when I got my airbrush, I was gung-ho about using the airbrush. I really like using it, but I am finding that there are some things that just make no sense on airbrushing. This here is all one piece. Calls for the springs to be black. These, I believe, a silver color. Hang on, I'm trying to do this one-handed while holding the phone. Kind of hard to turn the pages on these instruction sheets with one hand. Mufflers, it's calling for aluminum. And that's got G and H is the other color. which is going to be this section here is calling for H, and that is silver. So black, aluminum, silver. It's not really saying what color to paint the pumpkin. Oh, the pipes are, the mufflers are aluminum and the pipes are I, which is steel. So GHIA, 4 different colors on this one piece. And that's not counting the pumpkin. It's not really saying what color to paint the pumpkin. I'm assuming I will do that in either steel or aluminum. I may paint it orange. I don't know. I'll have to do some research and find out. Alright, it's going to take a couple coats on this. I'm going to have to let it dry and then put another coat. But for the pipes, I used a steel gray. And then to get the aluminum, I want on the mufflers, I'm using silver, and I'm mixing it with a little bit, I thought I had medium gray, but I guess it was still dove gray. Springs are black, but I'm going to have to see if I can smooth those out a little bit, let it dry, and then put another coat on. Of course, this piece right here will come off. I'm just leaving that on there while I paint it. So, making progress. Not got her glued on yet, but it's kind of sort of what it's going to look like. Like I said, this piece here comes off. If I can get that painted up, I should at least be able to get the rear tires on tonight. Alrighty, here where I'm sitting now. I need to figure out, for some reason, the tires, when they're on there, they're not on there that great. I don't know if I need to glue them so that they're straight and they don't move, or if I need to do something so that it tightens them up but they still spin. I'm assuming I will probably end up gluing them so they're on there straight like they're supposed to be and don't move. Got the rear axle, the exhaust. Exhaust didn't match up real good up here. I may have to go through and touch up some paint in areas that I've smudged. But I'm going to stop there for tonight, and we will catch y'all on the next one. Appreciate you watching. I'd greatly appreciate a thumbs up. We'll catch you on the next video.